Something big just happened in Australia, and this could directly affect migrants, students, workers, and even those planning to move in the coming months, because Angus Taylor has just revealed the first part of a new coalition immigration policy, and the changes being discussed could reshape Australia. Immigration in 2026 and beyond, and here is why this matters right now. Many applicants are already waiting for visas, some planning to apply soon, and others hoping for permanent residency. But with this new policy announcement, the entire immigration landscape could shift, including visa numbers, processing priorities, and even eligibility rules. In this video, you will understand what Angus Taylor announced, why this policy is being introduced, who could benefit the most, and who might face new challenges, and most importantly, what mistakes you must avoid if you are planning to apply for Australia immigration in 2026. Because missing this update could mean delays, lost opportunities, and even rejected visa applications. So here is what is happening. According to recent political and immigration discussions in Australia, the coalition is preparing to introduce a new immigration approach, focusing on reducing migration numbers while prioritizing skilled workers and addressing housing pressure, economic concerns, and infrastructure demand. This is important because immigration has become one of the biggest political topics in Australia, especially as population growth increased rapidly in recent years and cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane experienced housing shortages, rising rents and pressure on services, and now Angus Taylor has started outlining the first part of the coalition plan, which focuses on tightening migration numbers while still attracting skilled professionals needed for economic growth. This creates a very interesting situation because while some visa categories may become more competitive, others may actually move faster, depending on skill shortages and economic priorities, and here is where things become even more important. If migration numbers are reduced, overall competition could increase for certain visas, meaning applicants with weaker profiles may find it harder to secure approvals. But at the same time, skilled applicants in high-demand sectors could see faster pathways and better opportunities. Now imagine this scenario: someone planning to apply for a skilled visa in 2026 might suddenly find their occupation moved to a priority list, which could mean faster processing and higher chances of approval. But another applicant in a lower demand occupation might face longer wait times or fewer invitations. This is why understanding these changes early is extremely important. Another key point discussed in the coalition immigration plan is the focus on skilled migration aligned with workforce shortages. Australia continues to face shortages in healthcare, construction, engineering, and trades, which means immigration policy may increasingly prioritize applicants with these skills. This could benefit nurses, electricians, engineers, aged care workers, and construction professionals who are already in demand across multiple Australian states. But here is something many people are not thinking about when immigration policy changes. Processing priorities often shift quickly, and applicants who prepare early may benefit the most. For example, someone who updates their skills assessment, improves English scores, or gathers documents early may gain advantage when invitations open, while those who delay may miss the opportunity entirely. Another important aspect of the new policy discussion is regional migration. The coalition has indicated stronger support for regional migration to reduce pressure on major cities, which means more opportunities may open for migrants willing to live and work in regional areas. This is important because regional visas often provide faster pathways to permanent residency and lower competition compared to major city-based programs. So, applicants open to regional opportunities may benefit significantly if these policies move forward. But there is also another side to this. Some applicants prefer major cities and may hesitate to choose regional options. However, waiting only for big city opportunities could lead to longer delays and missed chances. This is why flexibility may become more important in 2026. Another part of the immigration conversation involves international students. Australia has seen record numbers of international students in recent years, and policymakers are discussing ways to balance education sector growth with housing and job market pressures. This could mean adjustments to student visa policies, including stricter eligibility rules, financial requirements, or post-study work pathways. And here is something important. Students planning to study in Australia must now prepare stronger applications, including genuine study plans, financial proof, and clear career goals, because stricter reviews could become more common. Another possible shift discussed is focusing on migrants who contribute quickly to the workforce, meaning applicants with job offers. Australian experience or in-demand skills may receive priority. This could benefit applicants already working in Australia or those securing employer sponsorships. But again, documentation accuracy becomes critical. Incorrect employment letters, incomplete job details, or missing experience proof could still delay applications even if priority pathways are introduced. Another trend emerging from recent discussions is the focus on long-term economic growth. Australia wants migrants who contribute to productivity, innovation, and essential services. This means applicants in technology, healthcare, renewable energy, and infrastructure sectors may see stronger opportunities. But here is where many applicants make mistakes. Some applicants rely only on previous rules without staying updated. Others delay improving English test scores or skills assessment, thinking they have time. But when policy changes happen quickly, those who are prepared move ahead first, and those who are not prepared face longer waiting times. Another example, someone planning to apply for permanent residency may wait, hoping for easier rules. But when new policy prioritizes skilled workers with higher points, competition increases and their chances drop. This is why preparation and timing matter more than ever. Another key point is processing speed. Policy changes often impact processing timelines. If migration numbers are adjusted, immigration departments may prioritize certain categories, which could result in faster processing for some and slower for others. This means applicants must monitor updates closely and act quickly when opportunities appear. Another important factor is employer-sponsored visas. Businesses across Australia continue to face labor shortages, and employer sponsorship may become a more important pathway. Under the new policy direction, this could benefit applicants with job offers or those already working with Australian employers. But again, incomplete applications or unclear job descriptions may delay approvals, so accuracy remains essential. Now here's the bottom line. Angus Taylor revealing the first part of the Coalition Immigration Policy signals potential major changes coming to Australia. Migration numbers may adjust, skilled workers may receive priority, regional migration may expand. Students may face stricter requirements and competition may increase in some categories, but opportunities will still exist, especially for prepared applicants. So if you are planning to apply for Australia visa in 2026, this is the time to prepare documents, improve eligibility, and stay informed about policy updates, because those who prepare early may benefit the most, while others may face delays and missed opportunities. And now I want to ask you, are you planning to apply for Australia immigration, or are you already waiting for visa approval? Comment below and share your situation, because your experience may help others as well. And if you found this update helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I bring the latest immigration updates that could affect your future plans and opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next important update.